But did you want to come out and talk about your artwork? Because I have been wondering about it. Yeah. Can you talk to me about it? So I'm noticing this maturation that you're going through that I find fascinating. So I'm looking at your early work, one of the first things you did in this room. And it's right there, and it's just like a semicircle. Then we have another semicircle, and another semicircle, and another semicircle, which all come into something else. But then we come over here, and I mean, this, you didn't just chew away, you chewed away in a pattern. Yeah, what is that pattern? What do you call that? And then as you come over here to the other side of the room, which you started later, a lot of, I mean, we're not just going circles anymore. And then this stuff, these pieces that you pulled off, like that I sweep away every day, are those anything? Are those individual works of art? You find that amusing? That I'm finding art in your trash? Yeah. Okay. So that answers that. But this one, this is particularly beautiful. That is amazing. What do you call that? Oh, we call it knock down the barbell. Well, I'm going to name it because I'm looking at this. And that's a bird. You made a bird. I'm going to call it winged flight. Yeah.